Hello everyone, I greet you all from all over the world. So what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comment section and write PiNetwork to the moon. The PiNetwork ecosystem is witnessing an unprecedented influx of fiat currency, with trillions of dollars expected to transition into Pi. This signals a major financial shift, as Pi emerges as a serious contender in the digital economy. Over time, the reliance on traditional fiat currency is expected to diminish, replaced by a decentralized, more efficient and transparent payment system powered by Pi. However, the biggest news yet is the anticipated launch of Pi Bank, a game-changing financial institution that could redefine how people store, manage, and utilize their digital assets. With a global consensus value of 1 PI equaling $314,159, the potential of Pi as a high-value digital asset is being reinforced, further positioning it as a viable alternative to conventional currencies. A world moving beyond fiat? The massive inflow of fiat into the PiNetwork ecosystem is not just speculation, it represents a genuine shift in the financial paradigm. As adoption grows, the role of fiat currency in daily transactions could gradually decline, making way for a blockchain-based monetary system that is borderless, decentralized, and resistant to inflation. But what makes Pi a compelling alternative to fiat? Security and transparency. Blockchain technology ensures transactions are secure, immutable, and verifiable, reducing the risks of fraud and manipulation. Decentralization. Unlike traditional banks, PiNetwork eliminates intermediaries, allowing for direct peer-to-peer transactions with minimal fees. Global accessibility. Pi can be used anywhere in the world, without requiring currency conversions or incurring high remittance fees. Pi Bank, a financial revolution on the horizon. With the imminent launch of Pi Bank, the concept of decentralized banking is about to take a massive leap forward. This institution is expected to empower users with unprecedented financial freedom, enabling them to store, transfer, and utilize Pi in ways that could rival or even surpass traditional banking systems. What can users expect from Pi Bank? Secure digital vaults. Assets will be protected with quantum-resistant encryption, ensuring unprecedented security against cyber threats. Pi-based lending and credit, a peer-to-peer lending system that removes the need for traditional financial intermediaries, making credit accessible on a global scale. Instant global transactions. No more delays, restrictions, or excessive fees. Pi Bank will allow seamless, borderless financial operations. The implications of Pi Bank extend far beyond just individual users. It could reshape the global financial landscape, offering an alternative to traditional banking institutions that have long dominated the monetary system. 1 Pi equals $314,159. Speculation or inevitable reality? One of the most debated topics within the PiNetwork community is the valuation of 1 Pi equaling $314,159, a figure proposed under the Global Consensus Value Framework. While skeptics dismiss this as mere speculation, proponents argue that as Pi adoption increases and fiat continues to flow into the ecosystem, such a valuation may not be as far-fetched as it seems. If Pi successfully replaces fiat transactions on a large scale, the demand for Pi will skyrocket, potentially pushing its value to unprecedented heights. The success of Pi Bank and its financial services will play a crucial role in determining how Pi's valuation unfolds in the coming years. Final thoughts: a financial transformation in the making. PiNetwork is not merely introducing another cryptocurrency, it is laying the foundation for a new financial ecosystem. With trillions in fiat expected to transition into Pi, the launch of Pi Bank, and a growing consensus around the global consensus value, the future of finance could be shifting before our eyes. As we move closer to a world where Pi becomes a dominant digital currency, one question remains: are we witnessing the birth of a new global financial order?